Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You jump straight into photo mode now. Open the in-game menu and pick photo mode to begin. First, choose a camera preset that matches the scene, then set aspect ratio and exposure so highlights won't clip. Once done, hide the HUD and select an initial focal length to frame your subject. You'll want a clear composition before advanced tweaks. Framing early saves time. Make sure to lock character animations if you need a still subject, and prepare for the next adjustments. You now refine the camera controls to craft mood and clarity. Adjust aperture for depth of field, set shutter speed and ISO to balance exposure without noise. Then pick a focus point and use depth of field to isolate your subject blur background for cinematic impact. Once focused, move the camera with dolly or orbit tools to perfect composition. Rotate subtly for leading lines and check for distracting elements. Remember to save a custom preset when you find a look you like. You finish by polishing color and exporting, apply color grading, adjust white balance, and add subtle filters to unify the image. Then take test snaps at high resolution, save your favorite frames as snapshots, and store a preset so you can reproduce the look later. If something looks off, like odd exposure or stuck controls, reset the camera settings first, then reload a saved preset. That usually fixes presets conflicts or UI glitches. Finally, export and review the final image on your desktop for quality control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.